Hey, what's up, squad? This video is called Announcements, and the very first announcement is this video. So I made this video so I could give y'all updates on my life and stuff, and I was gonna call it weekly announcements, but I don't always have, weekly events or anything like that. I wish I did. My life would be way more interesting, but it's not. So I'm not going to call it weekly announcements. But yeah. And I thought it would be a better replacement for I'm sorry this and I'm sorry that. So, second announcement is I just recently got a job about 3 days ago is when I started. I work at Give Me a 5 right now, and I make $9 an hour at the moment, and it's super slow. It's easy, it's good, it's just slow, except for on Friday, and then it's hectic and really fast. So, and then the third announcement is I'm going to be starting my advertisement agency soon. I don't know if I've talked about it in a video or not, but I'm working towards making advertisements for other businesses. I just needed more money to put towards the advertisements. And now that I have a job, within 2 weeks I'll be able to put money towards it. And then I'll make more money. Hopefully. I've been doing a lot of tests. I've been testing some on a photographer's business, and I've been doing some stuff. So I made an advertisement and it went on Facebook, and so yeah, I'm still doing tests. I'm still learning, but hopefully I'll be able to get it off the ground soon. And then I'll have to work with getting more clients. So yeah. And then update number 4 is that it's Q&A time again. And it's been forever since the last one. I'm trying to find all the old questions y'all gave me. If there are any questions that you asked that I didn't answer, please ask again. You can comment here. You can comment Facebook, Instagram, wherever. I'm going to post it. And just ask me questions. Someone asked me a question recently. And it will be in the Q&A, probably. The only rule this time, there's no limit. I'm not saying at least 15. The only rule is 1 per person, because I want more people to interact. I don't want one person asking me a whole bunch of questions. I want 1 per person. If you have a lot of questions, just write them down and ask me next time. I'm trying to do Q&As more often, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah. And other than that, that's all for this time. But next time, maybe more. Maybe less. Hopefully not less, because it's pretty short this time. But we'll see. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye.